Hi there everybody. Today I'll be showing you how to trade automatically on your IQ option account by using MT2Trading platform. For those of you who are not familiar with us yet, let me briefly explain. MT2 is a powerful platform that allows you to apply your own or an expert's trading strategy and set up a robot to trade automatically for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on your favorite brokers. Here is my IQ options trading platform where you can see how MT2 is working live at this moment in time. All these trades are signals MT2 received and placed automatically for me with no efforts from my side. The signals placed on your account by MT2 can come from two different sources, so let me explain each one of them. The first signal source is MetaTrader 4 or 5. MetaTrader is the most used trading platform as it has a very extensive range of applications for every expertise level. MT2 comes with two connected plugins which can be loaded into your MetaTrader charts. The first plugin is called Auto Connector and it works as an automated bridge between MetaTrader and MT2. This plugin will read signals from any technical indicator and place them automatically on your IQ account, respecting your desired risk management parameters and different filters. The Auto Connector can read call and put signals from your indicator and allow you to configure every type, trade amount, expiration, and martingale strategy. The second plugin is called Manual Connector, and it works as a bridge between MetaTrader and MT2 for manual trading. This plugin will allow you to place manual trades on your charts and have these operations placed for you automatically on your IQ options account. I'll now open a call trade with the manual connector so you can see how it works. And so I go over the plugin interface and I click on the call button. Now, if I head to my MT2 platform, I can see how this trade has been transmitted successfully and placed automatically on my account. The second signal source is the copy trading service. This feature will allow you to subscribe to expert signal providers. Signals executed by providers will automatically copy to their subscriber accounts with their desired trading amounts and risk management parameters and filters. You'll be able to explore the list, filter according to your needs, and choose your favorite ones. MT2 currently has more than 300 providers from which you can subscribe to. These signals correspond to my signal provider stable BO. This provider has placed these trades on his own MT2 platform and consequently they've been copied on my own platform and placed automatically on my IQ options account. You can have as many signal providers as you desire, and these signals can be either totally free to receive or on a profit share basis. This means that some providers charge commission at the end of each month and only can be managed to make profits from their signal. Setting up your signals is not all. As you know, each trader is unique, and the platform allows for as many custom configurations as you might need to have the best automated trading experience possible. With MT2, you'll enjoy custom risk management parameters, including stop loss and take profit, so that you can have full control over your capital. Strict economic news and event filters, which will stop your account from trading in dangerous hours based on investing.com news feeds. A fully customizable live graph for you to follow minute to minute in financial markets based on TradingView graph feeds, a mobile application for both iOS and Android smartphones so that you can monitor your MT2 platform from anywhere in the world. And it's available in 14 different languages, so you can automate the platform to whatever your native language is. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Remember, you can try MT2 Trading platform for free on a demo account with no limitations or credit cards requirements at all. So, thanks regards and happy trading from the MT2 team.